In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat notifications not working. This method works for both iPhone and Android. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your settings and locate your notification panel, whose location might differ depending on the device that you're using. So once you do locate that, just click on it and scroll down until you find Snapchat. Here you may or you may not find it. In case you do, just make sure all the notifications are on. In case you don't, just back out of the notification panel and scroll all the way down until you find the list of applications below. Here, find Snapchat and click on it. In case you see the notification option, just click on it and make sure that all notifications are on. And in case you still don't see the notification option, you're just going to want to go back into your Snapchat app and click on your profile icon up in the left corner. Once here, click on Settings in the top right corner and scroll until you find Notifications. So select this option and you will see an option saying Enable Notifications at the very top. Tap on it and confirm by selecting Allow in the panel that pops up. Hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate it if you liked it, and I will see you next time.